Alright, let's dine in Korean style barbecue meatballs. Start off with ground beef. Enter your sauce mixture, green onion, crumbs. Mix. You can go in with your hands or not. Cover it up. You can put it in the fridge overnight or just 4 hours. Let's see what happens when you don't use gloves. Once the next day, you're going to roll up your balls, put them in the oven for 20 minutes or until cooked. Into a saucepan, use some of the grease from your meatballs. Add garlic. Get it toasted, not burnt. Then we're going to go in with some beef stock. Get it boiling. Add in other sauce mixture. Brown sugar. And Korean chili paste, gochujang. Then we're going to reduce that liquid. And then we're going to thicken it up with some cornstarch slurry. Look how thick that is. Oh. At the end, we're going to do green onion, sesame seed oil, combine, and then pour it all over your meatballs. You can put it in the saucepan, but I needed to take this to a party, so I put it in the slow cooker so I could just drizzle everywhere. And you're done.